Hello, my name is Shamir Shoam. I'm here today with Rajiv to talk about BSO's performance in 2010 and our priorities in 2011. Rajiv, let's start with your thoughts on 2010.
There were high points and low points for BSO in 2010. But overall, 2010 was a challenging year, with BSO falling short of expectations and losing share in a growing market. That said, there were points of strength. We made strong growth in our insight and experience and subscriber data management domains, which grew in 2010 by 18% and 61% respectively. It's also at the heart of our customer experience management offering, and these will be key priority areas for us in 2011. We also made progress with our cost leadership priority. In fact, a lot of progress. We achieved significant reductions in operational costs, exceeding our saving commitments and improving our contribution margin by 4 percentage points year on year.
So we have reasons to believe in BSO. Where do you see BSO's main strengths?
Our market leadership facts in several of our recent deals are a case in point. In subscriber data management, for example, we are number one with 115 customers where we're managing over 1.8 billion subscribers. And charging, where we have 300 charging customers and serving 550 million subscribers. Not small numbers. We are number one in device management with 55 projects, 135 Traffica customers, and 275 Insight and Experience customers. Network management is another strong suit. We have delivered 500 plus projects and we are managing 520,000 network elements, 50% of which are non-NSN, demonstrating truly multi-vendor capabilities.
What about our recent wins?
I think we've had some exceptional deals recently, especially in the customer experience management domain. At the Vodafone Group, we won a customer experience management umbrella system deal. Through our analytics product and more than 50 web-based customer experience reports, we will provide Vodafone with a complete real-time view of network, service, and device KPIs to manage user experience across its 16 operating companies. At Bharti India, NSN was selected out of 9 vendors, including Arantec, IBM, Alcatel-Lucent, Ericsson. We were selected to support its transformation towards customer-centric operations. Bharti's network operations, service operations, and customer services teams will be using those analytics products to drive a better customer experience for their mobile broadband, for their BlackBerry and mobile office services, with a clear expansion roadmap into additional segments of their 120 million subscriber base. At Bharti Africa, we are delivering a device management solution to 16 countries in Africa. Our solution will enable remote and automated identification and resolution of incorrect device settings. This deal has won our Customer Operations Transformation Award for January. At Telefónica Spain, we've implemented a combined Traffica, Serve at Once intelligence, and services solution for monitoring their entire mobile broadband traffic in real time, automatically resolving device problems and rolling out personalized campaigns. This will be used by the network, quality, customer services, and marketing organizations at Telefónica. Telefónica will be able to spot network problems 20 times faster and resolve them in 2/3 of the time. For this project, we have won Telefónica's 2010 Transformation Award, and we beat Accenture and Ericsson. At Vodacom South Africa, we are running a charging transformation project where we are implementing our unified charging product to support voice and data convergence and a phased roadmap towards prepaid, postpaid convergence for 24 million subscribers. In India, our NetAct network management solutions were included in every single 3G deal, in fact positioned as a strength when we announced these deals during the second half of 2010. So looking back on the year, 2010 was challenging indeed, but with promise. Our next step is to fulfill that promise with an extremely strong 2011. We need to drive more wins, and in fact bigger wins as we move ahead.
Let's look ahead now. What are BSO's plans and priorities for 2011?
Great question. In our priorities for 2011, BSO is exactly in line with NSN. We will drive for growth we will capture value and reinvigorate. In every case, targeting actions to improve our business performance. In the drive for growth area, we will focus on 3 BSO-specific priorities. The first is to increase our customer-facing coverage. That is absolutely critical. To make sure that we have more people spending more time with customers, we are assigning BSO account managers to all our Tier 1 and Tier 2 customers and moving more people from back office to customer-facing roles. We've increased the number of BSO account managers at the front end from 24 to 124, and the number of sales engineers from nothing, 0, to 109. The second is to increase our deal size and build recurring revenue streams by selling more software products and more services into each deal. We will do this by focusing on key opportunities and by driving larger deals, particularly in the customer experience management, charging, and OSS domains. Now, in each of these domains, we have a large install base with strong network-facing assets. We will aim at significantly expanding our footprint at these customers with a best-of-suite offering, a unified suite offering. In customer experience management, we will extend our footprint with our insight and experience portfolio. That includes analytics and campaign management, service quality management, device management, and customer care automation, enabling targeted campaigns, intelligent pricing, personalized quality of service, proactive care, and more. And this is absolutely fundamental for our service providers. In charging, we will upgrade our standalone prepaid platforms into convergent prepaid postpaid products and work with partners to cover additional BSS domains. In OSS, we will leverage our own and third-party products to extend our network resource management footprint to service fulfillment and assurance and customer QoS management. We already see customers buying into our best-of-suite value proposition. For example, Idea in India. They recently selected our offering across policy control, charging, and Serve at Once intelligence and OSS to drive enhanced customer experience and quality of service for their data subscribers. Improving customer experience is, as I said, the top priority of 82% of our customers. Our third BSO priority, to drive market leadership in customer experience management, reflects this customer priority. The CEM as a service program that we've recently established will introduce CEM to our customers through an innovative, cloud-based offering and recurring revenues business model.
What about capturing value? How will we achieve this?
Well, to improve here, we must create value for our customers and be appropriately rewarded for the value that we bring to them. We will focus on 3 specific priorities here as well. The first is to increase software value capture by better articulating the value of our software to our customers and by growing, therefore, our software license, release upgrades, and software maintenance businesses. To support that, we will proactively communicate our roadmaps to our customers, ensuring visibility into our current and future software value story. Improving software quality, that's an absolute prerequisite, and it's our second priority. This is the key to generating value for customers and to effectively addressing cross-sell and upsell opportunities. Our third priority is to unify and enhance the BSO portfolio by building a roadmap towards a unified software suite. And that will include a unified architecture, integration, and business process support. It'll also include shared foundation and platforms.
This brings us to reinvigorate. BSO is increasingly competing with IT and internet players. How should we change BSO to come out on top?
Well, to reinvigorate the organization, we will focus on driving leadership, accountability, and innovation within BSO, just as in the whole of NSN, with 2 main priorities. The first is to strengthen employee engagement through a series of leadership, recognition, and communications programs aimed at improving our EES results while further driving accountability in our teams. And we've got a couple of examples. For example, we've launched the BSO Transformers Award. This is designed to recognize teams for their exceptional performance that effectively work across boundaries, create customer value, and also share knowledge. with our NetAct Optimizer product line team that won the first award. We've also kicked off the Leaders Journey. That's a 9-month program that includes joint work with our customer teams and business lines. And the aim here is to equip BSO leaders and provide them the tools for creating customer value, transform our organization, and lead by example with innovative, out-of-the-box thinking. The second is just this program, Software as a Service. It's an innovative technology proposition, and it's an attractive business model across multiple new BSO offerings. And this is not something we want to do in isolation. This is done in collaboration with the startups at NSN program. I can really feel that people are excited about this. And you know what? When people are excited about a proposition, that to me is real reinvigoration.
So one last question about 2011. How will we measure our success?
Well, to make sure we live up to our plans, we have agreed on owners and key performance indicators to measure our progress, with each priority item under Drive for Growth, Capture Value, and Reinvigorate. In addition, we have defined clear turnaround metrics, measuring our success in quickly improving key business performance parameters. These metrics include deal momentum KPIs, such as total value won, win rate, average deal size, recurring software sales and software maintenance sales, financial KPIs like BSO standalone revenues and contribution margin, end-to-end revenues and contribution margin, including our services pull-through, and quality KPIs, such as open customer defects and confirmed outages and downtime. The leadership team will follow progress on a monthly basis and will communicate progress on a quarterly basis. We will keep everyone informed, and of course we ask for everyone's commitment to supporting all activities related to our priorities. And of course, our results will become clear to all when we announce our quarterly results. And so people should rightly hold us to account.
Looking ahead now, what is your vision for BSO in 2015?
First on the list, we will be the market leader in customer experience management. And based on our current momentum with customer deals and market share and traction in the CXO community, this goal is 100% entirely within our reach. Second, BSO will also be a top 3 player in OSS and BSS transformations. Third, by 2015, we will have made a fundamental evolution to the more open and fast-moving innovation model of the internet world. And we will be providing significant, high-value offerings through the cloud. Fourth, BSO will enjoy strong year-on-year growth, higher profitability, and significant recurring software revenues. To achieve these objectives, we are ready to take aggressive decisions around investments, partnerships, and acquisitions. So in 2015, we will be clearly recognized within our industry to be the leaders in customer experience management, in transformation, in innovation, and in financial performance.
Rajiv, thank you very much for your time today. Looks like an exciting year ahead for BSO. Thanks everyone for listening today. Let's follow our progress on our Reasons to Believe portal, and let's work together to turn this plan into action.